Guys, it's your boy Skyler coming to you from a darkened bunker with the quick and dirty keys to success for the St. Louis Cardinals in 2016. First, Kolten Wong signed a extension in the offseason that will start at the end of this year. 5 years, $25.5 million. I personally believe he's worth every penny. The guy is tiny, he's fast, he can hit the ball 450 feet, and play some excellent defense when he's focused. What's not to like? Kolten Wong needs to recognize pitches better and get on base, especially against lefties. Taking a few walks won't hurt. If the Cardinals are lacking one thing, it's speed. If they're lacking two things, it's speed and a secret weapon. And if they're lacking three things, it's speed, secret weapon, and Jason Heyward. Jason Heyward hurts. I'm not going to lie. I've never been hurt so by a dude like that ever in my life. It was like a girlfriend left me for a rich guy with a bigger dick. Fucking sucks, right? I hope he does great. Like him as a person, but goddamn, that one hurts. We gotta own it. We gotta move on. Don't be an ugly racist Cardinals fan. No one likes that shit. Leave that shit in Arkansas Walmart parking lot. You got me? Anyway, the second thing, the fucking rotation needs to stay healthy. Every single one of those rotation members has had significant injury history and recent significant injury history. That's hard to say, especially this fucking bandana on. Regardless, Wainwright needs to eat some innings. You know Matheny's going to throw him out there all the time. Not sure why Matheny threw him first game on the road in Pittsburgh where he gets lit up and is currently getting lit up right now. Not sure. Regardless, you know, we got to have some guys stay healthy. Waka's going to be a big key. Can he step up? Can Tsunami step up and continue to go through the stratosphere and be the next Pedro? I hope so. I'm a believer. Third thing. Biggest thing, Mike Matheny. Some of these things aren't going to work. Wong might flounder against lefties. There's already been some injuries that are going to require a little bit of, I don't know, what do you want to call it? Tactical acumen and a little bit of skill to manage. I'm not sure Matheny's got it. I'm not sure that he's got anything more than like traditional white guy leadership and stoic good-lookingness. What do I say? Stoic charisma and good-lookingness. I'm not sure that's enough. He's going to have to be more tactical this year. He's going to have to keep guys from getting burnt out late in the playoffs or late in the season and into the playoffs. He's going to have to be more than he was last year and the year before that. As long as he's making improvements, I'm okay with him. I like Mike. I think he gets a lot of horse shit for things that aren't his fault. But I also think he gets a lot of, gets a lot of praise for things that aren't his fault either, such as managing in the big leagues. Anyway, I'd love to see Mike do well. I'd love to see us make the playoffs. I think we're on 92 games. If Wainwright stays healthy, maybe we win 94. If the Cubs have a step back, I don't see why they would. Maybe a bit of a sophomore slump. I think the Cubs are going to win the division. I think we need to aim for a wild card. Who knows? It's been a while since we made a big step and made a big deal other than the Heyward thing that didn't really work out. I like the depth we have. I like the outfielders we have. If Holiday can play first base successfully, if Brandon Moss can step up, these are these minor things that are going to help us. If not win the division, win a wild card, anything can happen in the playoffs when you get there. And that's what I love about baseball. Anyway, guys, take it easy. Have a good one. Happy Caps On Day. I think it's bullshit that MLB stole that from my boy Grip. I'll never forgive their ass. I'll never forgive their ass for their fucking stars and stripes bullshit either. Fuck you. That is ugly as fuck. I don't care what anyone says. I'm not buying that. Take it easy, guys. It's your boy Skyler. Send me some love. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.